If you have music or game audio playing in the background, sometimes your voice just sounds buried underneath the music. I'm going to show you a really simple EQ trick that will make your voice much easier to understand. It'll sound cleaner and it'll sound louder over top of the music or the game sound. That way you don't actually have to turn the game volume or the music volume down, and your voice will still be very clear and easy to understand over top of the music or the game audio. I'm going to go ahead and play a short clip. I'm going to play it twice. The very first time you hear it, it's with no EQ whatsoever. And the second time you hear it, the only thing that's changed is the EQ on my voice. So let me go ahead and play that clip and I'll show you exactly how I did this in a second. And it's actually really easy. All right, so we're going to go ahead and try and beat this car right here. 2, 1, go. Second, third, nitrous, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8. Now, I'm not sure how some of these cars run as fast as they do. I mean, there's so many people running these great times. All right, so we're going to go ahead and try and beat this car right here. 2, 1, go. Second, third, nitrous, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Now, I'm not sure how some of these cars run as fast as they do. I mean, there's so many people running these great times. I mean, so as you can hear, there was a major difference in the way my voice sounded on the first clip versus the second clip. Nothing changed except for a little bit of EQ. So let me show you guys how I did this. All right, first off, the bass frequencies make everything sound muffled. And this is what it sounds like when we're talking with mainly the bass frequencies of my voice. It probably sounds awful right now. So the first thing you want to do is run a high pass filter somewhere between 70 and 120 hertz. This allows the highs to pass through, but it cuts off the low ends. Let's just go ahead and put it on 90 for my voice. And if it still sounds a little bit too bassy, somewhere around 160, you can make another cut here and lower that by 1 to 2 decibels. Now, I actually have a playlist about understanding how to EQ a speaking voice, so my little EQ class playlist will pop up at the end of this video, so you might want to watch that if you don't understand EQ yet, but let's get back to the video. It's not about making the microphone sound good, it's about making sure your voice is clean, clear, and easy to understand. So run a high pass filter around 100 hertz and a low cut around 200 hertz-ish. Let's say it still doesn't sound quite good enough, so around 10,000, I'm going to boost that between 4 and 6 decibels on the SM7B. Most microphones, I would only do 2 to 3 decibels, but on the SM7B, 4 to 6. And now around 3,500, I'm going to do another small presence boost by 1 to 2 decibels, and bam, my voice now stands out really well over top of any background sound, so that's really all there is to it. You can do this with any type of EQ you want. Again, the microphone might not sound quite as good to you when you remove those bass frequencies, but nobody wants to hear something that sounds like this. This just sounds awful. You ever hear the guy in the Arby's commercial? He's got that big, huge, booming voice. Arby's, we have the beef. But they cut out like 90% of the bass from that guy's voice. Personally, I would much rather hear that man's voice with all the bass in it, but you know, they cut it out for a reason because there's a bunch of background audio in that commercial and they need to make him so you can understand what he's saying. Unfortunately, making a voice sound as good as possible is not always the goal. Sometimes you just have to make sure that it's easily understandable, that it sounds very clean and very clear, and it's really intelligible over top of whatever background sound is in the video. So sometimes you have to EQ for that instead of best possible sound. But if you notice your voice just sounds buried below the background audio, if your game sounds are too loud, if the music bed is too loud, and you can't really understand your voice well, normally people will start turning down the background audio or the game sounds, but this will allow you to keep the game sounds nice and loud so people can hear them, and it'll also make so people can hear your voice over top of it. So finding the right mix of EQ plus, game volume or music volume with this EQ trick will work wonders. And we're going to make sure the little EQ class pops up. I got several videos on there that'll teach you all about high pass filters, low pass filters, different EQ techniques and everything else for a speaking voice. So clicky, 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 clicky right there on that thingy dingy. It's somewhere floating around here. So thanks for watching. Lightning out. Have a great day. See ya.